Welcome to my little country kitchen. My name is Marianne, and today for the 12 Christmas treats, today's number 3, we are going to be making something out of these pretzel rods. I got them from the Dollar Tree. So really great inexpensive snacks, and I already had the chocolate chips that were going to melt and the leftover white frosting from yesterday and the teeny bit of butter. Going to melt this and then we can get going. Okay, chocolate's all the way melted, and I broke the pretzel sticks in half, and now I'm just going to get a lot of chocolate on here and use it as glue. And we're going to be making a sleigh like this. That's pretty simple. And decorate it with festive colors. I love these mini baby M&Ms. I used to get them all the time when I was little. And when I was a realtor, I would also, because of my initials are M&M, I would buy them a glass bowl with their favorite M&Ms inside when they closed on their house. So that was a fun little thing. So I've always been known to my nieces and nephews to give them M&Ms as well. It's just a fun little treat. This is literally so fast, like we're done. See how cute he is? Just let it set. I can pop this in the fridge, and I am going to put together most of the treats all together in one cute little wintry Wonderland Christmas scene. So join me for that one. And stay tuned for tomorrow's next delicious treat. Oh, I do have one little extra because my husband made some cupcakes, and I'll show you what to do with some Queen Anne cherry cordials. Hang on one second. So when you have extra of these cherry cordial, and you just dig a hole out, stick them inside. There you go. And then we melt it for 10-15 seconds in the microwave. Watch. You know it's done after it gets all bubbly like that and glossy, and now I can top the rest off with chocolate all the way around the edge. And I will incorporate this into the wintry scene as well. So like and subscribe and join me tomorrow and the rest of the week. Thank you. Merry Christmas. On the third day of Christmas, got little elf socks. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.